Good afternoon, I'm Chris from the Sussex Caravan Centre, and I'm going to be taking through the cab features and under-bonnet features of this particular motorhome today. Now, first thing, in the cab here, we've got the vehicle battery, which is underneath the floor between the two seats. The leisure battery to the habitation side is underneath the driver's seat. Underneath the passenger seat here, we have the jack and the towing eye tucked away nicely in a nice box, and it's secured. Now, we have multiple functions on the seats with this particular model. They swivel, and for swiveling the seats, it's recommended you bring the seat forward with the lower lever. The wheel up back here, we bring the back forward, pull the lever on the inside of each particular chair, which gives you the swivel feature. If you don't bring the seat forward and the back forward, we tend to hit the corner post. This particular model. We have various adjustments on the arms with the wheels tucked in nicely underneath each armrest for adjustments up and down. We have two adjustments on the outside of the seat here for up and down and tilt forwards and backwards. Now, particular model for opening the bonnet, we have the bonnet release on the inside of the dashboard, which releases the bonnet. Now, proceeding to underneath the bonnet, what I show you is basically oils and everything else. So if you'd like to follow me underneath the bonnet, I will actually show you where everything is. The bonnet latch is just underneath there. We lift the bonnet stay tucked up in nicely and tight. Now, not a lot to say underneath here really, apart from we have our jump in, positive and negative positions, so we don't have to remove the battery floor in the cab to get to the vehicle battery. We have our oil fill down in the front here on the sump, and tucked below it is our oil cap. We also have here our brake fluid reservoir, and tucked in next to it we have our coolant to the vehicle. To access the coolant cap, we remove 3 turn buttons, lift the panel, then we can get into the reservoir to do our coolants. Now, it might sound funny, but tucked away in the corner we have our windscreen washer reservoir. Now, clever thing of this, we open the cap, we've got an easy fill, extendable neck, so we can easily access to fill our windscreen washer reservoir. To start the vehicle with a flat battery, as I said before, we've got a positive and a negative. The negative they give you is here. Now, might be very good, but tend to go on a different ground, a heavier ground for easier starting. The positive terminal is tucked underneath the cap by the filter. We lift the cap and we connect our red positive cable to start the vehicle. Everything else in here is inaccessible to the general motorist. Now, the ignition side of the vehicle, we have the key, normal position for starting. Now, the beauty of this one, we can actually shut down the vehicle's battery by having the key and the engine turned off, pushing the little red button and turning the key back to that position, which is to about 7 o'clock. Now what that does is that isolates the vehicle battery, any bleed off it, say overwintering. Remove the key. Now in this instance, because we've actually disabled the vehicle battery, we can no longer use the key fob for central locking. We'd have to lock the vehicle manually with the key. Now to reset the vehicle, key in, bring it round, back to normal position. Now we can use the key fob to do the central locking because we've reactivated the vehicle battery under the floor here.